How I made $5,000 passively off of my worst video ever. I'm just gonna click play, let you see like the first 5 seconds of it. Right away you'll realize why it's so bad. What's going on, everybody? Let's talk about how to get 2,000 real targeted followers on your Instagram account. Okay, I'm gonna stop it right there. That was enough of that. So you'll have realized by now that number one, the audio is off, it's not synced to my lips. And number two, the video quality is definitely not anything special. The video quality was filmed just with the camera on my laptop right here, which isn't a great camera. And then the audio is not synced up because I tried to record this video through that camera while doing a screen recording and recording the audio through the Bluetooth connection to my AirPods to use that microphone. Anyways, disaster. And in post, I couldn't get it to line up the audio. Like it just wasn't possible. So quality wise, this video was a complete disaster, but I still decided to upload it, and frankly, good thing that I did because it gained a lot of traction and I was able to turn it into a revenue source, and it's passively generated me $5,000 and continues to generate me more and more money every day and every single month. So let's start to talk now about how I was able to generate money with this video. Okay, so obviously over 720,000 views, the video is monetized. I've been able to make money through ad revenue, but I've only made a little over $1,200 through ad revenue off of this video. If you look at right here on my analytics, I have it set to lifetime for this video. Lifetime estimated revenue is $1,247.72. I published the video on June 28th, 2018. It's right now July 9th, 2019. So this video is just about a year old. So a year old, 750,000 views, has earned me about $1,200. Now, how did I even pull that off right there with such a garbage video quality-wise? Audio's not synced, image quality isn't good, the actual visuals, the settings are not anything special. So what is it? Why did this video get 720,000 views? I go much more in depth on this in this video right here. Highly recommend you go watch it if you're trying to grow your channel. But the main reason this video did so well is because I built a video for a very high volume search term, and I got this video to rank for that search term. So the high volume search term that I found just through research, and I show you how to find high volume search terms in that video, so make sure and go watch that. But right here, this Instagram followers hack, I discovered that that was a high volume search term, so I decided to make a video and title it Instagram followers hack, and in the video explain a way to get more Instagram followers. So ultimately, and this is a very good thing to understand just for internet videos in general, but the quality is not the most important thing. It can matter, but think of all the videos you've watched in your feeds and everything. The most popular ones, they haven't been 4K top quality edits. They've probably just been like shaky, someone filmed it with their smartphone, something, right? So the quality is not the most important thing, and this is a piece of proof of that. I have many other pieces of proof I can show you that prove that quality is not the most important thing in a video. What's more important is like the topic and the content of the video. So in this case, the topic is a high searched topic. So I was able to build a video, and people happen to find the content of the video, the actual information that's being taught, to be valuable, what they were looking for, what they wanted. And so that is why this video was able to gain traction. With all that said, a little over 1,200 is what I've made from this video the year that it's been published here on YouTube. So where does that extra 4,000 roughly come from? Well, so as soon as I saw that this video had traction, that it was taking off and it was going to just continue to get more and more and more views, I wanted to take advantage of that the best I could. Now, the best way to take advantage of that is to build what I built into it before you ever even launch the video. But I'd launched the video and I didn't think anything would come of it. But because it started to gain traction, I started to think about, okay, what are some ways I can take advantage of this traction here and make some more money from it? And so what I decided to do was create a free growth guide, a free Instagram growth guide, have it linked in the description of the video and in the comment section. And inside that free growth guide, I would include affiliate marketing. And affiliate marketing means taking somebody else's product, selling it for them, and when a sale happens, you get a percentage of that sale. There were like 10 tips, I'll pull it up here in a second, the growth guide, but like 10 tips in there or whatever. And one of the tips was to use a service called Stim Social, which is now no longer up and running, which is one of the reasons why I wanted to make this video right now, because that source of income off of this video has been chopped. But that's what I did. One of the tips inside of the growth guide was to use a service that people have to pay for. And so anyone that clicked my link to go use that service, signed up and paid for that service, I got a percentage of that sale. And since it's a subscription service, it's recurring month after month. If they sign up and keep using it month after month, then I keep getting that commission month after month after month. And so again, this is already after the video had been up and running for a while, and then I saw like, oh, this thing's got traction, which is not the best case scenario. Again, the best way to do this, if you really want to maximize money and like that's your goal, which wasn't really my goal with this video, but I thought since it had traction, why not? The best way to do it is to bake all this into your video up front before you ever hit launch, and actually talk about it in your video and tell people in your video that they can go down into the description, that sort of thing. I wasn't able to do that because the video was already up, so I just threw it in the description and in the comments, and that actually worked quite well. For sure, if in the video I had said, hey guys, if you want to go grab my free growth guide down in the description, that would have ended up making me a lot more money, like probably a lot more. But again, I just didn't plan for this up front, so missed out on that. So right here you see the comment. I say, yo, grab yourself a free Instagram growth guide that I put together, and I pin this comment so it sits at the top of the comment section. So if we click on this, it takes us to this web page right here. Now this is a web page that I built with ClickFunnels, and it's just 2 pages. This first page right here, where I put the title, 5 simple steps anyone can take to get 10K real followers fast and unlock the swipe up feature in Instagram stories. Finally get that swipe up, put in your email address below. Okay, so right here, they throw in their email address and they click download free Instagram growth guide. And so one thing I just did right there is I collected their email address. So I actually now have a fairly big list of people, of email addresses of people that are interested in Instagram growth. So if I wanted to email market to them to sell, say, a course on Instagram growth, could do that. Not doing that, but that's another really cool thing that's baked into this, is being able to collect all of these emails. And then once you click download, then the actual guide is sent to your email, and it takes you to this web page where it says check your email, and then there's this other little video of me where I just talk about some books that I think are good books if you're interested in online business, that sort of thing. And these are also affiliate links. So like I said, how I'm selling a software program in the growth guide, which I'm about to show you, I'm also right here, after they've clicked to download the guide, introducing them to these books. And if they click and go buy any of these books, or if they click and end up buying other stuff on Amazon through my click, because that's how that works, then I get commission off of the sales that happen off of their purchases from Amazon. So for example, if they click on this Facebook advertising book, it takes them to this page. If they add this to cart and buy it, I get a percentage of that sale because I'm signed up as an Amazon affiliate. All right, now I'm gonna go to my email. We're gonna pull up this growth guide so I can show you what's going on in there. Okay, so here it is. I kept it super simple. Here's your 10K swipe up Instagram growth guide, unsubscribe option, and then this attachment is the growth guide. Again, growth guide was super simple. I just typed it up in a Word doc. And if we scroll down here to number 3, it says use Stim Social, and that's where I have the link to Stim Social. Don't go use Stim Social. Like I said, not working anymore. But if you click this link right here, it takes you to the Stim Social homepage. So anyone that clicked that link, came here, signed up, and started paying Stim Social, I started receiving a percentage of what they started paying Stim Social. And so if we come over here and look at my PayPal account, I've pulled up my payments from Stim Social, and this adds up to about $4,000. So that's how I took my worst video ever and turned it into a video that's made me over $5,000 passively. This video would not be complete if I didn't show you how to sign up as an affiliate so you can start earning your own affiliate commissions. So here is how to do that. Most companies have an affiliate program, and most companies have a link to sign up to become an affiliate just on the homepage of their website in the footer, which is at the very bottom of the website. So scroll all the way down. So for example, right here on Amazon.com, right here, become an affiliate. You can click right here, join now for free, If you already have an Amazon account, you can just use that email address, or you can sign up with a different one, up to you. But just follow these steps and get signed up. And then once you're signed up, this is what the inside of your Amazon affiliate, or Amazon Associates is what Amazon calls it. This is your Amazon Associates dashboard. Now what you need to do is find a product to promote, and then you need to generate a unique link to use to promote that product, because it's through that unique link that Amazon is able to track and send money back to you when someone clicks that link and purchases the product through your link. Now, Amazon's made it super simple. You just come here to this search bar, and let's use that Facebook ads book I was showing you as an example. So I'm just gonna type in Facebook ads, Facebook advertising, and click go. And then you see it has the different options here. I know this is the one right here, this $14.92 one. I can click get link right here. And then it has some different options for you here, but if you want to keep it simple and just get a link, then click on text only, click right here on short link, and there's a nice short link you can just copy and paste to wherever you want to paste it. And like I said, anytime that anybody clicks this link and makes a purchase, you'll get paid out a commission. And one thing that's really cool about Amazon is if they click that link, not just the product that you're promoting, but any other items they add to their cart and purchase, you also get paid commissions on those products as well.
Jump in the game, and lately I've been winning off the strength. Ain't gotta chase the money, I just make it off the strength.